Objective of the experiment: to determine the specific gravity of a liquid using a hydrometer. Materials: hydrometer, appropriate range for the liquid being measured. Graduated cylinder, or a tall, narrow container. The liquid whose specific gravity is to be determined: thermometer, optional for temperature correction. Procedure: 1. Prepare the liquid sample. Ensure the liquid is uniform and free of any solid particles or air bubbles that could affect the reading. If necessary, filter the liquid. If temperature is a concern, specific gravity changes with temperature. Record the liquid's temperature using a thermometer. You may need to apply a temperature correction to your final specific gravity value, depending on the accuracy needed and the type of hydrometer. 2. Prepare the hydrometer and cylinder. Clean and dry the hydrometer. Contaminants can affect the reading. Rinse the graduated cylinder or container with the liquid to be tested. This helps to avoid dilution or contamination. Fill the cylinder. 3. Carefully pour the liquid into the graduated cylinder or container, filling it to a level that will allow the hydrometer to float freely without touching the sides or bottom. A tall, narrow container is ideal to minimize the volume of liquid required and to ensure the hydrometer floats vertically. 4. Insert the hydrometer. Gently lower the hydrometer into the liquid. Spin it slightly as you release it to help it settle at its equilibrium point. 5. Read the hydrometer. Allow the hydrometer to come to rest, floating freely. Observe the point at which the liquid's surface intersects the hydrometer's scale. Read the scale at the bottom of the meniscus, the curved surface of the liquid. This reading is the specific gravity of the liquid. Most hydrometers are calibrated so that the reading is direct and doesn't need further calculation. Record the reading. Note the specific gravity reading. If you measured the temperature in step 1, also record the temperature along with the specific gravity. Clean up. Remove the hydrometer and rinse it with distilled water. Dispose of the liquid appropriately. Summary: measuring specific gravity with a hydrometer is a straightforward process. You simply float the hydrometer in the liquid and read the scale at the liquid's surface. The reading provides the specific gravity directly. Remember to ensure the liquid is free of contaminants and air bubbles, and to consider temperature effects for accurate measurements.